In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude Code to Slack. By the end, you'll have a smooth path from Claude Code into your Slack workspace so you can bring powerful coding assistance right into your team's daily conversations. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. First, head to Claude in your browser. You can go directly to the new chat page, which opens the Claude interface and loads the left-hand navigation. Give the page a second to fully load and make sure you're using a modern, up-to-date browser so all the buttons render correctly. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace right away. If not, just get to the home page so you can access the sidebar. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the download icon. It typically appears in the sidebar as a downward arrow. Click that icon. This takes you to the area where Claude provides installables and connection options. If your window is very narrow and you don't immediately see the icon, try expanding the browser or hovering near the left edge to reveal the sidebar. Once you're in, you should see options related to apps, extensions, or ways to extend Claude into other tools. From here, click on Upgrade, then click on Slack. Upgrade is the doorway that exposes integrations and add-ons tied to your plan. Selecting it will reveal the Slack option alongside other available connections. Choose Slack to start the connection flow. The page may show a short description of what the Slack connection does and a button to continue. Simply proceed with the prompts you see on screen. Keep the browser tab open and let the site guide you. If something takes a moment to appear, give it time rather than reloading immediately. If the interface wording looks slightly different, that's normal. Product labels can shift, but the path is the same. Open the Downloads area, go into the Upgrade view, and select Slack. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If a button looks disabled, scroll the page to make sure there isn't a required checkbox or notice you missed. If you have multiple workspaces in your browser, confirm you're acting in the workspace where you want Claude Code available. And if you don't see Slack listed, refresh the page once and verify you're on the Downloads and Upgrade screens, not just the main chat. That's it. Go to Claude, click the download icon on the left, and then choose Upgrade followed by Slack. With those clicks, your connection is set up and ready for use inside your team's Slack environment.